Yes, good morning, friends. Welcome to the channel Learn with Prashant. I think already in the last class we discussed about the constants and variables and how to name the variables. Some rules are there to name the variables. That rules we already discussed. Now today we will discuss about the declaration of variables. Yes, how to declare the variable. What is the syntax, general syntax of declare the variable, that we will discuss today. The general syntax of declaring the variable is data type, variable list, and semicolon. Right, this is the general syntax of declaring the variable. See, what are the data types we will discuss in the next upcoming classes. See, the data type, for example, integer type of data. Variable list, just write the variable name as sum, and at the end of the line semicolon is compulsory. So this is the general syntax, that is data type, variable list, and semicolon. So int sum, int length, int x. So these are the some variables, right? So the variables must be declared before they are used in the C program, and the purpose of declaring the variable is to reserve the some amount of memory required for those variables. So why we are declaring the variable means we are reserving some memory to that variable. See, for example, here that is int sum, means here sum is a variable. For this variable we are reserving some memory, right? That is sum. That is declaring the variable means we are reserving some memory to the variable, right? Now, general syntax, in the general syntax where the data type is nothing but it's a basic data type, and the variable list, that is one or more variables of the same data or different data types you can declare, and at the end of the line the semicolon is compulsory, a delimiter of this declaration. Now these are the some examples, that is int length, a float area, int x comma y comma z. And the thing is that the most important thing, whenever we are declaring more than one variables, right? Whenever we are declaring more than one variables, more than one, then it is compulsory we should use the comma to separate the two variables. So the comma is called as separator, it separates the two variables. If we are not using this comma, then our compiler can consider xy is a single variable. So to separate both the variables we should use comma. Now these are the examples of declaring the variables. Now the next, that is assigning the variables. See, assigning values to the variables. Once you declared a variable, after declaration of the variable we can assign some value to that variable. Yes, what is that? Variable represents some memory location where the data is stored. The process of giving value to the variables is called the assignment of value. So the assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variable. See, the name itself indicates assigning, that is assignment, means we are assigning some value to the variable. See, for example, here I declared the variable as int x, right? Int x. Here this is called a declaration, and this is called assignment, that is int x is equals to 10, right? This is the declaration, this is the assigning, means here we are assigning some value to the variable called x. Here we are not initializing any value, we are not assigning any value, so it is called declaration. The difference between declaration and the assignment is, here we are assigning some value to the given variable. In the declaration there is no assignment of value is done, but in the declaration, in the assignment, in the assigning the value we are assigning, right? Now the general syntax for that is, see, a variable name is equals to value, and at the end of the line, that is it ends with semicolon. See, just we discussed, that is int x is equals to 10, it's end with semicolon. So the general syntax is name equals to value. Here a variable name is a, this equals to is called as assignment operator because it is used to assign value to the variables, and the value is 10, it's end with semicolon, right? This is called assigning value to the variables, right? So in this class we discussed that is declaration of variables and assigning value to the variables. In the next video we will discuss about the very important topic of the C called as data types, right? What are the types of data types are there, or how many types of data are there, that we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.